If you've ever tried beginner fishing in KZN, you know nothing goes exactly as planned. But stick around because one of our rookies is about to hook into a milestone we will never forget. They say surf fishing takes patience, but when you hit a Durban beach with 3 kids, a mountain of gear, and a dream, patience flies right out the window. Welcome back to Rod and Rookie. I'm Velisa, and today we are taking on the ultimate family challenge at Baggies Beach in KwaZulu-Natal. Now, if you're getting started with surf fishing in Durban, Baggies Beach is a fantastic proving ground. But before we even bait the hook, the first lesson for the kids is understanding the Marine Living Resources Act. Sustainable fishing starts at home. So we've got our custom scorecard ready to track legal sizes and permitted species. Tell me about the water.
Huge sand dance because the water is low.
Which spot have you chosen to fish at now?
On the left hand side, the reason I chose this spot on the left hand side, there's a huge sand bank. On the right hand side, there's a huge sand bank. On both sides, the water is like mixing and you see a lot of sand. It's not that you won't catch fish there, but it's more difficult. The bait fish can't swim in such rough water. But here, it seems like it be a channel. The water is not so rough.
What are you doing now?
Yeah, I made the traces at home. These are called Gundu traces.
What? Okay, what type of hook is that?
It's a circle hook.
And what are you doing?
Surf hooking hook.
Okay.
I'm just threading this prawns through. Prawns is still frozen. The circle hooks are more difficult to work with than the J hooks because of the bend. But around something like that, it's okay. I'm just gonna cotton it because the water is very rough. Now this might ball up in the bottom, but the hook is quite big, so it doesn't really matter. So that's okay. The hook is still proud there.
What are you doing? Today, we're rigging up a simple, reliable 2-hook trace, perfect for keeping the kids engaged. Because let's be honest, if the kids aren't getting bites, their attention span drops fast. What Dad is doing with the bait?
Tie the tail onto the hook.
He's tying what?
Onto the lobster.
Okay.
I'm cutting the lobster.
It's a prawn, Hope. Look. What does he have? Lesson number 2. Surf fishing with a family is beautiful chaos. Hope is managing the gear, Luke is collecting treasures, and the wind is picking up. We battled the current, lost some sinkers to the rocks, and for a moment it felt like our beginner luck had run out.
What did trying to make out?
What do you have there, Elijah? Are you going to use it for bait? Show me. But as a fishing educator, I reminded the kids, look for the working water. See the foam line? That's where the fish find cover. You don't need a massive cast. You just need to put the bait where they are feeding.
Why is my sister doing it? Oh!
And then the sea answered. Look at that! Right out of the Durban surf, Elijah just landed his first ever fish. That look on his face is exactly why we started this channel.
Wait, walk down to the boat. Walk down to the boat. They'll go land. Yeah, wait, hold it. Stop. Don't touch it. Yeah, stop it.
I got a fish!
Hope you're not listening to me. You're gonna get out of the scales.
Whoa! I got a fish! Dude! I got a fish! A fish!
Wait.
It's a catfish!
I must hold it here like this. Now wait. Hold on the top tight. It's gonna flap.
Whoa!
It's gonna flap.
Ooh!
And hold it for the camera. Hold the tail. Yeah. Hold the tail part. Hold it tight. Hold it tight. Right.
This is Elijah's first fish all by himself. How do you feel, Elijah? You're happy?
Yeah!
Wow!
Put it back in the water. Get up. Put it. Let him try.
We checked the limits, marked it on our scorecard, and sent him right back home to grow. If you want to learn the ropes of surf fishing, avoid rookie mistakes, and join a community that loves family adventure right here in South Africa, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment below to congratulate Elijah.
Happy? I caught a fish. I only catch 100 more fish.
Until next time, keep your lines tight, keep your rookies close, and we'll see you on the next wave. Bye for now.